Elias had always lived his life on autopilot. Every morning, he woke up to the sound of his alarm, scrolled through his phone without thinking, and commuted to work, barely noticing the world around him. The streets, the buildings, the people, they were all just background noise in the routine of his existence. One evening, after a particularly exhausting day, Elias decided to take a different route home. As he walked through a quiet park, he noticed something strange. Everything around him seemed more vivid. The crunch of leaves beneath his feet, the distant laughter of children playing, the golden glow of the setting sun. It all felt intensely present, as if he were experiencing the world for the first time. He sat on a bench and simply observed. For the first time in years, he wasn't thinking about work, bills, or his never-ending to-do list. He was just there. The cool breeze on his skin, the scent of damp earth, the rhythmic beating of his own heart, each sensation was rich with meaning. He realized how much of life he had been sleepwalking through. In that moment, Elias grasped the essence of phenomenology, experiencing reality as it is, without imposing labels or preconceived notions. The world hadn't changed, but his way of perceiving it had. From that day forward, he made a conscious effort to live with awareness, to engage with the world rather than merely pass through it. His morning coffee became more than just caffeine. It was the warmth of the cup in his hands, the aroma rising to his nose, the complex dance of flavors on his tongue. Conversations with friends were no longer surface level. He truly listened, noticing the slight inflections in their voices and the emotions behind their words. Through this shift in perception, Elias discovered a depth to life he had never known. His world was no longer a blur of routine, but a rich, unfolding experience. This, he realized, was the key to truly living.
So, what does reality look like to you?